Hello viewers, welcome to ICT Tube. Today I'll show how to install MS Office 2016 and how to activate it. So let's move on to the recording issue. Viewers, according to my say, if you want to install MS Office to your PC, then you have to collect or you have to download that MS Office. So I have downloaded already, and you can download from the Microsoft website, or I have given a download link to my description. So you can download from anywhere, or you can use my link. So at first you have to extract here. You have to wait here for a few seconds only. Yeah, already extracted. You can see here two folders. One is for Activator and another one is for MS Office Professional 2016. So at first you have to install the Office. So open the Office folder and you can see so many items here. So you have to scroll downwards. Scroll and you can see the last file is setup file, which is application file. Right click, run as administrator, and you have to press on yes to install. Yes, and accept the license agreement of Microsoft. Accept and press on continue. And if you want, you can customize. So I'll install complete. Install now, and you have to wait here for a few minutes to complete the full installation procedure. Until completion you have to be patient, it will take time. Yeah, you can see the progress of installation is coming up. To complete the installation progress you have to wait. Yeah, you can see you're finalizing the installation and almost done. And I can minimize the file explorer, skip it. Yeah, my Office installation progress already completed. Now it's installed, and you can see here two options. First one is continue online and another one is for close. So I'll close it. Now it's closed. Now I can check up the MS Office. Just go to start button, and this is the Word, PowerPoint, Note. This is recently added option, and you can browse from the MS Office folder. Everything is installed, and Word will be downwards. Yep, this is the Word. Open it. And select a blank document. You can see my Office is ready. I can type to test. Yeah, it's working. So you can use, and that's all for MS Office installation procedure. So thank you very much. For first things, you have to select ask me later and accept. Now it will work normally. So close it, don't save.